How to log in account on Bitget Wallet application. Sign in account to Bitget Wallet app. If you want to log in or sign in to your Bitget Wallet account, it is very simple. First of all, make sure you've downloaded the Bitget app and then simply go ahead and then open it up. Once you open it up, this is the type of interface you will see, where you can just tap the continue button and allow the access. Now what you want to do is, this is the interface you will see, so tap on get started. Now over here, if you do not have an account, you'll be asked to simply create an account using email or mobile number, and you can tap on create account. But if you already have an account, on the top right hand side you can tap on the login button right there. Here you can simply enter your email address or mobile number. So let me enter my email, tap the next option, and after that you can simply create your password by verifying this CAPTCHA, and once done you will be successfully logged in. Now in some case scenario, if you forgot your password, you can tap on this forgot password button to reset your Bitget Wallet password. If you want to log in using your Google, Apple or Telegram account, you can go ahead and select that as well. So you can select login with Google and you'll be able to log in using any of these methods as well. That's all it takes for us to go ahead and then basically log in to Bitget Wallet app. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.